everybody, and welcome back to yet another video. I am so happy for those who just found this channel. Thank you for finding this channel. Now let's do something. I want you to just go down and subscribe, hit the like button, and then we'll keep moving. So for today's video, I have a very special treat for all of you. Now, we all know COVID is not going to last for that long, so after this, you might need a vacation. I know you will need a vacation. I mean, after staying in one place for a very long time, we all need a vacation. So with that said, I have a special treat for you. In this video, we're going to look at a beautiful apartment found in Nyali, Mombasa. So for all my people who will be going to the coastal side, to Nyali, I highly recommend this apartment. So without saying so much, let me just take you through this apartment. Have a look at it, be the judge. I for one really loved this apartment, so let me know what you think. Drop your comments down below in the comment section. Give me your feedback. What do you think about this apartment? So let's get into this video. Now, this apartment is located right behind Nyali Shopping Center. Now, when you get to the back of Nyali Shopping Center, there's this road that takes you down, and that road there is a black gate. And when you reach that black gate, you are meant to see this. That magnificent building. Now that's the rooftop. Basically, you can see your surrounding. It's a beautiful view up there. In the evenings, the skies seem to let me just say, it's a good sundowner. You can just come up here and have a great look. Yes. Now we have a fan there. So you all know Mombasa is hot, so a fan is essential. So an essential product. Okay. For all my food lovers, for all my mummies who love cooking, even the men out there who love cooking, there is a very beautiful kitchen. Now this apartment has a spacious kitchen. One thing you should know is this is a furnished apartment, so it'll have all the basic cooking items that you need. Well, let's go through the kitchen and have a look at some of the essential products they have, some of the basic items they have. Okay, yes, that's it for the kitchen. And then there's this door. Guess where it leads? Guess. Surprise! It leads you to the living room. It's a really spacious living room. Now there's something I forgot to tell you. This is a 3-bedroomed house. It's really good for family. That's the window in the living room. And one thing I love about this apartment is the wallpaper in the living room, and also the wallpaper in the different bedrooms. Like, the wallpaper is amazing. That's the dining area. The wallpaper is really good. Just have a look at it. Beautiful. We never really used the dining area, so yes. Wallpaper again. I must tell you, I really loved this place. Yes. I believe that's enough of the that's the kitchen, the entrance, and that's Sheena. Okay, so we've had enough of the living room. I bet I should take you to the bedroom. Just have a look at the bedrooms for yourselves. Now this is the corridor that leads to the 3 bedrooms. Back it up. Hold up. Yes, I'll come back to that room later, but let's first go in. Now this is the first room. It has a balcony, it has an AC, it has a fan, and then a really spacious wardrobe, and it's self-contained. And then we head to the second room. It's more of a kids' room where your children can sleep. That's if you're family. Self-contained, AC, a fan for those who are not a fan of AC. A fan for those who are not a fan of ACs. Nice one, then that's it. Now, it also has a spacious wardrobe. Well, let's go to our last room. Now, I saved the best for last. Let's get in. Voila! Now this room unfortunately has a really tiny wardrobe section, but I mean, it's a vacation. who carries loads of clothes. Well, just have a look at it. Yeah, now this room is a little bit different. It has a bigger bed, more so like the master bedroom. Yeah, ignore my things on the bed. So yeah, it also has a balcony. It has, that's the bathroom. Yeah, that's the bathroom, very spacious. Bathroom and toilet, very spacious. And then it has a balcony. I didn't get to the balcony, but now that kitchen area, let me explain it to you. This room is sometimes rented out on its own for those who come as solo guests and don't want the whole of the house. This will be given to you. I don't know how they fix it up, but once you request for it, it will be made for you. Now, I highly recommend this place because it's in a secure environment. And then there's also something that I'll show you from the rooftop. Yeah, like that's the outside. It's really beautiful. You can have a look at the apartment. Yeah, I really enjoyed my time here. So now let's get back to the rooftop. From the rooftop, I just want to show you one thing, and there it is. Well, this place also has a swimming pool. Now we all know Mombasa is hot, so you need that pool to cool your body after a very long heated day. So basically that's it for the tour. I had to drop in this photo because I loved the neighboring apartments pool and how our pool looked from the inside. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, it's only right that you give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to get your girl going. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll be coming back next week with another video for you. Just stay tuned, and yeah, see you next time. Ciao.